Jai Hind, good evening. Hope you are well. We are having PP and AD session. Please confirm its slides are visible to you, those who are present in the class.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir, it is.
So most of you are already familiar with the procedure, but if not, then go through these instructions. Please pause the video and go through it. Those who are in the class who are familiar with this. Okay. Picture will be displayed for 30 seconds. You have to observe the picture carefully. Then in next 60 seconds, you have to mark the character in the box and write a suitable action title. Then in next 4 minutes, you have to write a story around situation or character shown in the picture. You will write what led to the situation, what is currently happening, and what will be the likely outcome. You will also give the details regarding the main character of the story. Okay. While marking in the box, you may also encircle the main character of the story. Be ready. Picture will be displayed now. On reverse count. Be ready. Ready. Three. What is happening? Three, two, one. As of now, you will not write story. Start filling out the details. अभी आप डिटेल्स लिखोगे. अभी आप कुछ स्टोरी नहीं लिखोगे, सिर्फ डिटेल्स ही फिलअप करोगे बॉक्स में और एक्शन टाइटल लिख सकते हो मैक्स टू मैक्स. Start story writing. Okay, Pritham, not an issue. Just observe the session and you may take notes. I'll take your feedback if you may regarding the performance of the candidates. If you may do it. Stop writing. Hands down. Okay. So, all of you, please take a picture, convert in PDF, and send it to me on my number. Personal number, not in the group. And those of you, once you share it, please keep your hand raised. जब आप शेयर कर दोगे, अभी आप पिक्चर लोगे, उसको PDF में कन्वर्ट करोगे, मेरे नंबर पे शेयर करोगे, और वो जो सेंड कर देंगे वो अपना हैंड रेज कर लेंगे, ठीक है? किसी की तरफ से गाना बज रहा है, थोड़ा सा देख शिवम। सौरभ ठाकुर, अड़ेबाड़े द क्लास। आस्था, नेहा, शिवम, क्विकली शेयर करो और हैंड रेस करो क्विकली यार, टाइम लग रहा है। ठीक है, चलो। अच्छा, एक इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग बताओ आपको।
Yes, sir. Sir.
लास्ट ईयर अक्टूबर में ना, वो दोस्त आए मेरे क्लास में। एक का नाम था सौरभ, एक का नाम था नमन। ठीक है। सौरभ एज ऑफ नाउ ही इज ट्रेनिंग इन मिलिट्री एकेडमी। बस अच्छा, मैं सीक्वेंस बता देता हूँ इसके बाद। ठीक है। सौरभ सेलेक्ट हुआ अगेन, आई थिंक विद इन 15 और 20 डेज उसकी एसएसबी थी, तो ही गॉट सेलेक्टेड। उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ मैंने नहीं करा था, उसका बस साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट थोड़ा सा हेल्प करा था, एंड थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे इंटरव्यू में कैसे बोलना, वो सारी चीज़ें गॉट सेलेक्टेड। देन उसके बाद आफ्टर सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम उसका एक और दोस्त आया, एंड ही वाज दिस आयुष धनोला, है ना, लास्ट ईयर ऑन द सेम टाइम। उसके बाद फिर सौरभ का एक और दोस्त था, वो ज्वाइन किया था जनवरी में, ज्वाइन किया था आयुष। दिस ईयर ओनली, आई थिंक दिस ईयर जनवरी ओनली, दिस ईयर जनवरी और लास्ट ईयर आई थिंक, मतलब मेरे को एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं आ रहा, बट हाँ उसी के आसपास में कभी ज्वाइन करा है उसने। ठीक है। देन अराउंड द सेम टाइम दिस क्या नाम है, संस्कार जो है उसने ज्वाइन करा। एंड आफ्टर 4 of these friends who had joined, 3 have been recommended। आई थिंक इसमें सौरभ का कोई दोस्त तो नहीं है ना अभी? भी अगर हो सकता है, जहां तक मेरे को पता है कि हाँ, कि 4 दोस्त आए उसमें से 3 सेलेक्टेड है। देखो तो दोस्त भी ढंग के चूज करो। ठीक है। नमन भी सेलेक्ट हो सकता है, बट नमन थोड़ा सिंसियर नहीं है, उसको जो बोला जाता है वो थोड़ा सा टाइम पे नहीं करता है, तो वही दिक्कत है। खैर एनीवे, कीप योर वीडियो ऑन। ये चीजें मैं आपको इसलिए बताता हूँ ताकि आपके लिए एसएसबी बहुत डिफिकल्ट ना लगे, है ना, लगे कि नहीं लोग करते हैं मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, है ना। ओके, सीक्वेंस ऑफ नरेशन। अभिनव कहाँ भाई, वीडियो ऑन करो अभिनव, अभिनव भाई किधर हो, किधर हो अभिनव?
Sir, I am taking the timer, sir.
हाँ, यू आर द लास्ट टू नरेट एंड लास्ट। अभिनव भाई बोलो।
सर सर मैं थोड़ा बाद में आता हूँ, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम सर,
ठीक है,
देख नहीं पा
ओके।
रहा।
सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग द नरेशन विद अनुराग, आशुतोष, अंकित, आस्था, जिशु, कपिल, केशव। मत भागा करो यार, है ना, सीक्वेंस ऐसे खराब हो जाता है प्लीज। अनुराग, आशुतोष, अथर्व, अंकित, आस्था, जीसु, कपिल, केशव, मिहिर, नेहा, निखित, राठौर अभिषेक, सौरभ, शिवम, तारिक, then Abhinav if he speaks, otherwise Abhiraj is the last to marry. Okay, is it clear? I think it is. So whenever you are ready, Anurag, rest of you will be ready by default. Please keep in mind you will use modulation in your tone, and other than modulation, you will speak properly in your narration. Do not make any mistake. तब एकदम नहीं करना कि मिस्टेक नहीं करना, नहीं करना, जब जान के कर लो तब कर लेना, ऐसे आपसे हो जाए। ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है, इस चीज का थोड़ा प्रॉपर तरीके से करना है। ओके, वेन एवर यू आर रेडी, अभिराज प्लीज वॉच ऑफ द टाइम फॉर देम, एंड देयर विल बी अ सिंगल ग्रुप टुडे।
Okay, sir.
Good evening, friends. From the picture shown to us, I have perceived that there were four characters in the picture. All were male, aged between 20 to 25. All were in the positive mood. Action of my story is hiking camp during training. Raman, who was a second term cadet of IMA, he was made the lead for upcoming hiking camp due to his previous experiences. He then circulated the notice into notice board, also informed all other cadets for the same in the roll call. He, with the help of Ustad, made the roadmap of basic training for a week, also planned the route and made the list of necessary equipments and tools to be carried individually. He then, with the help of Ustad, did the basic training of rope knots, basic hiking, and map training, etc. After that, by the time they all were ready, all the cadets packed their bag. On the day, early morning, they started the trek, and with the help of Ustad, they all completed the hiking camp and got the appreciation certificate. Thank you.
Next.
Hello friends, in the given picture I perceive four characters, all male, age 21 and 222 respectively. Mode of the character is positive. Action of my story is trekking trip with friends. Arjun, 20-year-old, studying in BVC College, Dehradun, is the main character of my story. After completing his final year examination, he decided to plan a trekking trip along with his friends. They selected a location, keeping in mind the fitness of everyone and fixed a date. They also watched online videos to know about the equipment that would be required and distributed roles accordingly to get the equipment like GPS device, electrolytes, first aid kits, tents, etc. Few days before the camp, they rechecked everything and did the mapping of the trek. On the day of the trek, they took an early start and start the trekking with pro trekkers in the front and the last. During the trek, they maintained a steady pace, enjoyed the scenery, and took photographs. After reaching the summit, they pitched the tent, put campfire, and ate snacks. Thank you.
Next. आस्था, भाई ध्यान से सुनो, मैंने 2 बार सीक्वेंस रिपीट करा है, प्लीज।
सर मेरे पहले दो जन और थे ना, अथर्व और अंकित,
आशुतोष,
उसके बाद मेरा था।
अथर्व किधर गया? अंकित,
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
yes, you are audible, continue.
Okay, sir. Good evening, friends. From the given picture, I perceive three characters. They are male. Their age is between 20 to 25, and their mood is positive. Title of my story is Going for Trekking. So, action of my story goes like this: Raj is 21-year-old, final year BA student of Thane College. He, along with his friends, planned to go on trekking at Kalavantin Durg. They took permission from their parents. They hired minibus to there. They all gather at the Bandra station. From there, they caught the minibus to the point. On reaching the foothills of Kalavantin Durg, they hired one tour guide for guiding them, and they enjoyed the beauty of Kalavantin Durg. They also interacted with the local people, and they also visited several other historical places as well. They enjoyed the local food over there, and they clicked photographs with each other. Finally, in evening, they caught minibus and they returned their home safely, and they informed each other in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. From the picture, I perceive that there are four characters, all in the positive mood. My action is trek activity. Aditya, a 30-year-old tour guide, was given with the task to organize a trekking expedition to the Shipkila Pass. He combined a group of 11 people and gave them instructions based on when the trek is going to start and what things they need to bring together. They started the trek early in the morning at 3:30 a.m. so that they can reach on the top to see the sunrise. In between, to increase the spirit of the group, he announced a competition saying that whoever will reach the top in the first will be exempted from the task of tenting and cooking. So, according to the competition, Adarsh, a 21-year-old, was the first to reach the top. Seeing him, many others got motivated and they all reached the top in time to see the sunrise together. Thank you.
Ishu, if you have written any
Good
story,
evening. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. My story has only one character named, namely Prasant.
and he is in a positive mood. Prashant Rathod, a 21-year-old, is a climber who has set many records climbing mountain peaks, engaging and managing different hard situations while doing many adventures. In the month of March, a group of famous climbers were collected to climb a peak in Himalayan range. After the adventure started, everyone climbed for days, but once the condition became severe, they stopped. But Prashant, in spite of being the youngest, continued and tackled the hard situation and reached the peak to win the competition.
Good evening, friends. In this picture, I have perceived four characters, age group from 22 and 28, all male and mood positive. And the main character of my story is Pankaj. Action of my story is rescue and safety training. Pankaj is an instructor in National Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkashi, and currently the fresh batch of trainees of NDRF has been arrived. After briefing them and orienting them about the schedule of the course, he then made them do the physical challenges and make them familiarize with the equipments. Also, he taught them the rope skills and also the safety and rescue techniques for them. He also taught them the geographical locations and the awareness about the avalanches. Basic first aid techniques and rescue skills were also taught. After attempting the summit, planning the climb, and telling them about the teamwork, review and assessment was done by the Pankaj, where he gave the feedbacks to each trainee. And after the course was completed, all was passed out and were ready for the rescue and training missions.
Good evening, everyone. In the given picture, I have perceived one main character named Amit of age 21 years. The title of my story is Climbing the Kanchenjunga. Amit is a 28-year-old male who works in McKinsey as a data analyst. He is very fond of going on adventures. He wanted to go on a trip to Kanchenjunga, so he asked his childhood friends to join him. They they also agreed with him, and he created a WhatsApp group so that they can do the necessary preparations. He divided the responsibility for the trip to his friends accordingly. Upon reaching the nearest station, they rested in the hotel for some time and started their climbing for in the Kanchenjunga. It was a refreshing trip for all of them. They enjoyed the trip. Thank you.
Next.
Gentlemen, yes, sir. Gentlemen, from the picture shown, I have perceived four characters, all are male, their age between 25 to 35 years, all are in positive mood. Action of my story, doing trek in Kedarkanta. Rajesh was an instructor at Abhimas Manali. He got a opportunity from his institute head to go with trek with newly trained mountain climbers. For that, first he prepared a route of Kedarkanta. After that, he assigned a group leader to the newly trained climber, where he also gave him the task to make all the arrangements and equipments and the rope. Next day, the departure for the trek. In between the trek, he shared his mountaineering experience with the trainee. After completing the trek, the all mountaineers trainee was happy. He appreciated their effort and gave them certificates. Thank you.
Friends, from the given picture, I have perceived four characters, three female, one male. Their ages are between 20 to 30 years and all in positive mood. Action of my story is organizing a trek to Kedarkantha. And my story goes like this. Ria was working as a tour guide at Himalayan Tourism, and she got a task to take 10 people to Kedarkantha trek. She first made a WhatsApp group with all the people and discussed the budget and date with all the people, and also tell them to carry all the essential things, including snow boots and the woolen clothes, and also tell them to meet at Haridwar rail station. And after that, she booked bus tickets for all the tourists and started their journey. They reached the base of Kedarkantha trek, and from there they bought water bottles and snacks and started their trek. In between, she also shared the folk stories and culture of the region with the people. and they reached the Kedar Kantha top, and there they clicked pictures and made videos and come back to the base and decided to stay there a night and help the team in setting up the camp and enjoyed bonfire and played Antarakshri with them. Next day, they all went to their homes. She was very happy to have an energetic journey with them. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Jai Hind, everyone. From the given picture, I perceive four characters. All are in positive mode. All are in the age of 20 to 25 years old, and the action of my story is trip to historical place. And my story goes like this. Priyavata was a UG student of Ravensa University. One day decided to go to a Pandava mountains where the Pandavas were lived during their Agyatwas. After that, he get permission from the parents. After that, he discussed with the friends. In that, three of that they ready to go with her. After that, he went to the spot, and also he hired a guide to assist her. He After that he went to the top of the mountain, uh, uh, take pictures, and also also take snacks and water. After that he returned to the home, share the experience with their family and friends, and thank you everyone for their support. Thank you.
Next.
Good evening, everyone. From the given picture, I have pursued four characters. All are male, and age group is between 24 to 27. And action of my story is planning a track trip with friends. So Ravi, 25 years old, working as a digitizer in a private company, went to his village during Diwali holidays. So there he met his friends after a very long time, and they decided to go on a trek. So they discussed all the necessary things. Before the day they went to the trek. So on the next day, they started early trek, and after reaching the midway, they mesmerized the view. And after walking for around 5 hours, they reached at the top. Then they cooked Maggie and tea and enjoyed all together, clicked pictures, and cherished this moment. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. From the picture shown, I have pursued four male characters in the age group of 24 to 30 years old and in positive mood. Action of my story is a trip to Manali. Rahul, a M.Tech final year student, planned to go for a trip to Manali for 4 days with his two friends. So, firstly, he discussed the planning of the trip with his friends and distributed the task accordingly. His two friends booked the hotel and also the train tickets. Rahul also searched about the places to visit in Manali. They reached Manali and also do the mountaineering there. They also met the other professional mountaineers there and listened to their experiences of mountaineering and clicked pictures together. They also do vlogging and enjoyed a lot and they came back happily.
Good evening, friends. From the picture, I perceive four characters. All are male in neutral mode, age 23 to 25. Action trekking with friends. Ashish, 24, was a software engineer at Adobe India, Bangalore. He, along with his friend, planned a trekking of Vasuki Tal. So he, along with his friend, booked train tickets from IRCTC. After that, he made a WhatsApp group and shared a list of items to be carried there, just like winter clothing, camera, first aid kit, light eatables, raincoat, trekking shoes, etc. After that, they also started daily morning physical fitness exercises. Along with that, they also ensured breathing pattern as well. On the day, they boarded the train and reached the Haridwar. Thereafter, they took a taxi. After reaching Kedarnath, they offered their prayers and after spending some time there, they hired a tour guide and started a trekking of Vasugital. They ensured all the safety. Meanwhile, they captured photos and videos. They also did some vlogging and later they posted on the social media. After reaching the top, they cooked Maggie and tea and enjoyed the serenity. They were happy and returned safely. Thank you.
Tariq.
Yes, sir. The gentleman from this given picture, I perceive four characters in the story, and the mode is positive. All are male, and the age is 26 to 27. My story revolves, and action of my story is Operation Nirgat. My story revolves around Captain Saurabh Singh, 26 years old, is posted on the Jaskar range. One day, while on his scouting on the mountain, he heard something unusual from the far side of the mountain. And looking upon, he found some weaponized terrorists coming towards their camp. So immediately report to their camp, and with the proper coordination and communication, they blocked the mountain and slowly neutralized all the threats and killed all the terrorists. After his successful operation, he thanked to his teammate. Thank you.
Aviraj. Sorry, that guy. Who was he? Avinav.
Friends, I have perceived four male characters in the picture who are in the age group of 23 to 30, all in neutral mood. The action of my story is location tracking device manufacturing. Arun is the main character of my picture who is a 25-year-old seasoned mountaineer. He had scaled various peaks around the world and he had observed various accidents taking place while mountaineering. So he came up with the idea to manufacture a device which locates the mountaineers and sends a call for help in the situation of distress. So, in order to get funding, he proposed his idea in front of a major firm and got funding for it. Then he, with his mountaineer friends, himself checked the device and its suitability. After that, with the help of the government, he made it compulsory for every mountaineer to use that device, which eventually helped him save many lives. Thank you.
Aviraj. Hey, Shivam, watch out your time to him, please. Anurag, please watch out the time to him. While he's married, please.
Friends, I
So
perceive four.
just a moment, just a moment.
Whenever Anurag
Yes,
tells you, you will start.
ready.
Friends, I perceive four male characters, age ranging between 21 to 24 years. Overall mood is positive. Action of my story is trekking with friends. So Raghav, who was working with that Infosys group, had got the weekends. So he planned and discussed with his friends to go for the trek. So they decided to go for the trek in the Kalindi Pass in Uttarakhand. So for that, they also booked the ticket, packed the luggage accordingly, took the necessary items like the jackets, shoes, as well as trekking stick and the torch. After that, they also while they reached to the Uttarakhand, Raghav was the expert of the trek, so he leaded the team and also gave them the briefing that when to halt and at which places to halt. While they were traveling, they also Raghav also suggested about the weather conditions and also briefed them the same. They halted in at the half of the trek and also pitched the tent with the friends, as well as had the bonfire, had some rest. After that, they also climbed the half the distance and also hosted the flag at the top. Thank you.
Please start. Anyone left for the narration? Please start the discussion. All of you.
Friends, as from the
Friends,
given
as a first
they can see that there are four characters. The person was the first hiking.
And the background of the
We can clearly make a picture around hiking after a
we can make a story around friends going for a trekking.
So as customer selects his explain the actions on how the location, how we story is amazing on its own.
Otherwise, we will not be able to make a common story.
This series using
story around pioneering.
Wait,
सौरभ चहल जब बोले ना तुम उसके बाद म्यूट कर लेना, बोल लेना म्यूट कर लेना। बहुत आवाज है तुम्हारे घर में, किसी की आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही है, ठीक है? म्यूट करके रखो तुम। बोलना होगा तो करना, नहीं तो थोड़ा देर पीछे चले जाओ, वीडियो ऑफ करके भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर।
एवरीबॉडी यू मस्ट स्टार्ट।
Okay, gentlemen, as we have perceived that
Okay, friends, we have seen there the background is of the character. This is covered in snow. We can make a story around it and make a story about trekking, and we can call it to be mountains around that as well.
Gentlemen, I want to put
Okay, I'll consider your point later and then. Gentlemen, please begin. Please begin again. Okay, start again.
Yes, gentlemen, for the trekking,
So,
we can see
as they have fixed the trek, so we should discuss the action.
Competition among the trekkers to reach the top first viewing sunrise.
Many of us
So
has
it
made
can
the
be
story around the trekking, so we
Okay,
can
everyone has made a story on going to the trek, so we can make a story on
Made a story about trekking, so we should make a story about we can take the story on trekking and we all are college and then we can make a story around what
Friends, let us speak one by one.
Okay.
Friends, let us speak one by one.
Most of us agree with that. We should first decide the location and we can take it as Kedarnath.
with the help of the friends, we discuss the and finalize the place where we will be taking, as well as we also
Yes, Abhiraj,
Only everyone has written about the trek with friends, so that is guided, but they decide the location to be somewhere in the Himachal.
Also, along with that, they also saw the YouTube videos for basic tools and equipments to be carried out, along with the basic necessary items like jackets, weather condition, and maps to be tracked.
Yes,
We also got some also hired guided to
gentlemen, I'm agree with you. Let me add a point. Gentlemen, they also did some daily physical fitness exercise so that they may have they may familiar with the process during the trekking.
Yes, I agree.
Along with this, they also carried some basic medical equipment which need to be carried out.
Conditions.
Yeah, adding to the point of Anand, I would
yes,
to add that along with medical teams, they carried some as well for the like snacks as well, water and ORS as well.
yes, Ankit.
They also created a group for basic information sharing and photo sharing.
All the
So that
safety
they could reach the summit on time.
yeah, during trekking they
Learn
follow
and during that they enjoy, they maintain a steady pace so that everyone can cope up with it. And they enjoy the scenery and took
Just to
photographs.
witness
And the
the
friends
scenery
also
and take the
brief them
photographs.
basic conditions as well as the what all things to be discussed and what all care should be taken. He also briefed beforehand so that there must not be any such problem at the top.
Yes, and also during the trekking, maintain a steady pace that everyone and they can enjoy it.
Also interacted with the people over there and they also visited several other areas as well. And they also took the local food and enjoyed that as well.
when they reach the top.
yes, they gone through the
Along with this, they also talked with the
let me complete. For that, they also enjoyed the local cuisine as well. They also go through the local people and go for their local handicraft for their friends.
Yes, after that,
along with this, they also purchased some local handicrafts for their family members. Also, they also discussed with the local people about the natural habitat and the local cuisines which are famous there, and they also enjoyed that.
Yes, gentlemen, and we can also
other people to do the trekking, which helps improve the tourism of the area.
so add a point that
They also made a small video
with the local people
so that it
to
will
memorize
help the
their trekking camp.
bloggers at that area.
And we can also include that they bought
Adding to the point of Abhiraj, I would like to add that they made a vlog and posted it on social media to gather the attention of the people as well to that area.
Yes, good point.
Yes, gentlemen, apart from it, after reaching there, they also cooked some
They
food
also
just like
shared
Maggie
their
and tea and enjoyed along with their friends.
their family members and their close friends.
Shubham, I would like to say that the tour guide also provided with snacks and rewards to those who reach to the top and use their all the
Yes,
Yes, after that
when they reach the top, they also like played the
he
games
joined
like
the boat
Antakshi,
and
Round, enjoyed
shared the experience with their
having
friends and
memorable
families.
night with the friends.
Yes, after the
They
trip,
like
they
have
also clean
stories
up
to
the
surround
place so that
themselves.
it should not harm the
Yes,
nearby animals.
Ashutosh, I am agree with you. They collected the bottles and the wrappers of some just like eatables, and they collected all the things and returned back safely.
Yes, and disposed it as at a proper place, not leaving them behind.
Okay, so please nominate someone for the conclusion.
Shivam.
Shivam.
Shivam, sir.
Shivam.
Okay, Shivam, you may conclude.
Thank you, Guru, for nominating me. From the picture, we perceive four character, all are male, neutral mode, age 23 to 25, accent tracking with friends. Ashish 24 was a software engineer and posted to Adobe India Bangalore. He, along with his friends, planned a trip to Vasuki. For that, he booked train tickets through IRCTC app, and later on, he also checked some videos through YouTube, just like some areas to visit there. After that, he also booked some hotels. During that, he also packed some items,
Shivam, start
just like.
again. Certain amount of modulation and proper, it should be proper. Group has lived, I mean, in you.
Thank you, Guru, for nominating me. From the picture, we perceived four characters. All are male in neutral mode, age 23 to 25, accent tracking with friends. Ashish 24 was a software engineer at Adobe India, Bangalore. He, along with his friends, planned a trek of Vasuki Tal. For that, he, along with his friends, checked a train through IRCTC app and booked them. After that, he gone through the some YouTube videos regarding some areas to visit there. After that, he booked some hotels in nearby areas. Along with his friends, he also started some daily physical fitness exercise. On the day, they boarded the train and reached the place. They also offered their prayers in the Kedarnath temple. From there, they hired a tour guide. During the journey, they captured some videos and photos and also done some blogging and posted it the social media so that the upcoming people may go through the same things. Before going there, they also checked the temperature and the weather so that they may have a familiar with that. In the return, after reaching the top, they also cooked some Maggie and tea and enjoyed there. They also collected the garbage, just like bottles and the wrappers, and they disposed of later in the dustbin. After that, they also visited the nearby areas, go through the local cuisine, and buy some handicraft for their friends and parents. All were happy and thanked each and everyone. Thank you.
Shivam, how was your conclusion?
Sir, I think it was not good. I had taken so
इतना
much time
लंबा
for that.
चौड़ा मतलब भाई ऐसे शॉर्ट में करना होता है ठीक है
Right, sir. I'll answer that.
नेहा अंधपर प्लीज कंक्लूड
From our discussion, we our conclusion stories. Ria was working as a manager in Amazon, and one day she decided to go for a trek, and she discussed it with her friends. And on the upcoming weekend, they decided to go and discuss the budget. And she booked all the bus tickets for her friends and packed their bags, kept all the essential items like including the snow boots, woolen clothes, and they reached at the Haridwar station, and from there they hired a taxi and reached the Kedarkantha base, and from there they started their trek, and they reached the top of Kedarkantha, and there they clicked pictures and made videos, and after that they come back to the base, and they also made sure that they do not kept all their waste behind and dispose it properly. And they bought some souvenirs for their family members and come back to their homes. Thank you.
now group decide who has given a proper subtle conclusion. If you do not agree with, sorry, okay. Those who think that कैसे इसको पूछा जाए ना ताकि if you think that the second conclusion was better, keep your hand raised. Second conclusion मतलब जो नेहा ने दिया that was better. If you think that the first conclusion was better, जल्दी से है ना, बोलो ना तो पट से करना, ठीक है, ऐसे जल्दी ऐसे, ठीक है। पार्लियामेंट में वोटिंग होती है ना, आपको तुरंत ऐसे वोट करना होता है, यस और नो। ले लोअर योर हैंड, पूछने दो भाई, रुक जा, पूछने दे मेरे को। जब भाई यार मैं लोअर कर रहा हूँ हैंड। डू यू थिंक दैट द ये देखो, ये ऐसे कैंडिडेट हार जाते हैं ना, ऐसे तो बोलेंगे कि सर वीवीपैट में फोटो देखना चाहिए, है ना, और अभी वीडियो ऑफ करके रखे हुए हैं। डू यू थिंक दैट द सेकंड कंक्लूजन वाज बेटर, कीप योर हैंड रेज्ड क्विकली। Lower your hand, all of you. Do you think that the first conclusion was better? Keep your hand raised. शिवम कम से कम तुम कर लो, है ना। Anyway, ऐसा सपोर्टर चाहिए ना अनुराग की तरह, थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट में रहना चाहिए, शॉर्ट एंड क्रिस्प में। ओके, Jaydeep, you are the one messaging me as of now. You are talking on the chat. Jaydeep, please confirm. And where is this? Ayushman Singh. Okay. Am I audible properly to the class?
Yes,
And
sir.
Ayushman, whenever you get time, you will respond.
Yes, sir.
How many of you are not happy with your performance today? Keep your hand raised. Abhiraj, lower your hand. Not happy यार, सबका तो पिक्चर मेरे को स्टोरी सेम ही लग रहा था, है ना। सब ट्रेकिंग पे जा रहे थे, सबकी एक तरह की, है ना। ऐसे पिक्चर्स आ जाए फिर एसएसएस के लिए हालत खराब हो जाता है ना। खैर, I'll go through your story one by one and I'll provide you feedback. ओवरऑल अगर मैं बताऊँ, अनुराग, तुम्हारा अनुराग क्या दिक्कत है? मेरे को तो स्टोरी तुम्हारी सही लगी है, तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस तो सही लग रहा था। What went wrong as per you, अनुराग?
सर जीडी में थोड़ा और असर्टिव हो सकता था, स्टोरी में थोड़े और
एक साथ 15 लोग मैंने आज करा है कि ताकि आप you should also get used to this, so that was better, not an issue.
ओके सर।
Ayushman, Jaydeep, right now class is going on. We will have a talk. Just give me 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes it will take.
Okay, sir.
Nikit, you are a dancer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That should come up in your personal interview only, not to the psychologist.
Sir, समझा नहीं सर।
जोक समझने के लिए भी आपको हाई आईक्यू चाहिए। Keep your video on, all of you. You are a dancer. It should be known to interviewing officer only, not to the psychologist. How many of you got the joke? अच्छे से लिखो, है ना। ऐसे कूद रहा है ना तुम्हारा, ऐसे भांगड़ा कर रहा है, इधर कूद रहा है उधर कूद रहा है, ढंग से लिखो, ठीक है। एंड दिस इज नॉट हाउ यू राइट योर स्टोरीज. योर स्टोरी इज नॉट एप्रोप्रिएट, ओके। दूसरा चीज है निकित, ओनली मतलब बाकी एवरेज परफॉर्मेंस किसी किसी का था, लेकिन तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस, सॉरी, नरेशन का मैं बता रहा हूँ, नरेशन में जो था एवरेज बहुत लोगों का था, लेकिन योर्स वाज नॉट गुड, इट वाज नॉट अप टू द मार्क, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
Keep this in mind. Narration and story both is not appropriate. आशुतोष तुम बहुत दिन बाद आए हो क्लास, है ना।
Yes, sir.
This class is joined in June. For which entry you will have your SSB buddy?
Sir, OTA and AFSC. Attack.
तो ऐसे खोया नहीं रहा करो, ठीक है। क्लास टाइम पे आ जाया करो।
Yes, sir.
ट्रेकिंग ट्रिप कहाँ पे जा रहा है वो बताओगे, बताया नहीं है तुमने,
Okay.
ठीक है,
हाँ सर, वो बनेगा तो।
अननेसेसरली स्ट्रेच किया गया है, काम की चीजें नहीं लिखी गई है। अच्छा, व्हाई यू आर नॉट ज्वाइनिंग क्लास आशुतोष? आई मीन तुम्हारा तो कोर्स भी लगभग कंप्लीट हो गया था तुम्हारा, तुम एक्टिव बैच में थे ना?
नहीं सर, मेरा तब एसएसबी एक्चुअली खत्म हो गया था। अभी जो एफकेट और सीडीएस हुआ है मैंने वो क्लियर किया, तो उसका एसएसबी होगा।
चलो ठीक है, एक बार तुम बात कर लेना आराम से, ठीक है, कल जब भी टाइम मिले।
ओके सर।
दिस गाय, दिस इज अभिषेक राठौर। प्लीज यूज लाइनिंग पेपर, सॉरी विदाउट लाइनिंग पेपर। वेयर इज राठौर?
ओके
प्लेन
सर।
पेपर यूज करो, है ना?
ठीक।
ऐसा मैं टीचर नहीं हूँ कि क्लास में कॉपी फेंक देता, लेकिन मैं ना ऐसे बोर्ड पे बना के ऐसे हाथ खड़ा करा दूंगा, है ना? और धोखा वो ऐसा मौका नहीं दिया करो मेरे को, ठीक है? बिकॉज इट इज नेसेसरी फॉर यू, आई विल नॉट से एनीथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट नेसेसरी फॉर यू।
ओके सर।
ऐसा नहीं। अच्छा, दूसरा है ना ये जीटी, हाँ, अभी मैं सारा हूँ, है ना, साइकोलॉजिस्ट इंटरव्यू में जीटीओ सर तीनों। अरे 8-9 घंटे से मैं इसके सामने बैठा हुआ हूँ, है ना? तो पूरा ऐसे पूरा आईज मेरी टायर्ड हो जाती है। मतलब मैं आज तक हिमाचल नहीं गया, पर लोगों को लगता है कि मैं हिमाचल घूम के आया हूँ, है ना? तो मेरे को काला चश्मा लगा के रखना पड़ता है।
सर जो मैं अंधा ही ठीक था।
बस हाँ, कहाँ घर है, कहाँ ट्रेकिंग पे जा रहा है, ठीक है, वो सारा चीज है ना, ये ध्यान रखना है राठौर।
ओके
ऐसे
सर।
हवाबाजी से काम नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है? एक्चुअली बीच में ना एक ऐसे रैंडम कॉल्स आ गए थे, मैसेज आ गए थे, इसलिए मैं आप सभी की नरेशन बहुत अच्छे से नहीं सुन पाया था। बस ओवरऑल मैं जिस्ट सुन रहा था, इसलिए मैं स्टोरीज को लाइन बाय लाइन रिव्यू कर रहा हूँ, है ना? आप बहुतों का खराब लग रहा है मेरे को। आयुष्मान है, भाग गया है। एक और कोई लड़का है। केशव ऐसे नहीं लिखोगे, है ना? स्टोरी मैं सजेस्ट करता हूँ, तुम भेजता हूँ एक दो सैंपल, उसके अकॉर्डिंग देखोगे, है ना? तो मैं आज किसी एक दो कैंडिडेट जिसकी स्टोरी अच्छी रहेगी उसको मैं ग्रुप में सेंड कर दूंगा। यू विल टेक द रेफरेंस फ्रॉम दैट, ओके? Ria 25 a tour guided Himalayan tourism on the coast. ये कैसे? तो अच्छा, तुम लिख के बैठ रही थी, वेयर आर यू नेहा? तुम्हारा स्टोरी टाइम पे खत्म हो गया, तुम बैठ के क्या कर रही थी?
नहीं सर, टाइम से जस्ट पहले ही खत्म हुआ था, मतलब
तो
2-3 सेकंड
क्या
तक।
रुक रुक के क्यों लिख रही थी? एक बार सोच लेती ना, जो 1 मिनट का टाइम लगा हुआ था। सीधे है ना, ये टूरिज्म है, टूर गाइड है, एक और टूर गाइड मत बनाओ उसको, है ना?
हाँ।
मैनेजर एट द रिजॉर्ट बना, ठीक है? His some of his client has expressed his wish to visit the nearby peak और जो भी है ना, ऐसा कुछ भी, वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स एक्सवाइजेड कुछ भी, है ना? या ही इज अ मैनेजर, टूर मैनेजर इन मिंत्रा। थोड़ा सा ऐसे हाई फाई है ना, मतलब देखते हो ना आजकल क्या बोलते हैं उसको? अरे वो एक रील वायरल हुआ है ना, न्यूज़पेपर बांटता है, बोलता है क्या हो, आई एम मीडिया डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेंटर, है ना? शुड यूज द शब्द मैटर करते हैं, ठीक है?
यस
टूर
सर।
गाइड मत बनाओ उसको, ठीक है? यू विल मेक लाइक रिया 25 इज अ टूर मैनेजर इज इन मेक माई ट्रिप इन अपकमिंग लॉन्ग वीकेंड। कर सकते हो ऐसे। शी मेड अ टूर ऑफ वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स, ओके, इन विच शी पोस्टेड, आई मीन जो बैच को लेके गई, कैसे कैसे सारा चीज किया वो कराओगे, ठीक है?
यस
सोशल
सर।
मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर मत बना प्लीज, नेवर नेवर डू दिस, है ना? मेरे को एक दोस्त मेरा बोल बोला सोशल मीडिया, मैं ना उसके बाद मैं उसका तो कुछ मैं भाई नहीं हूँ मैं, है ना? मैं इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं कर, मतलब अगर रियल सेंस में देखो तो मैं इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन जो आजकल बन गया है ना, इसे ये होता है ना कि शब्द से ज्यादा भावना मैटर करती है ना? इन्फ्लुएंसर बोलते हैं पर करते कुछ नहीं है ना? तो ये नेहा स्टोरी थोड़ी सी बेहतर करनी है आपको, ठीक है? आपका जो मेन कैरेक्टर रहेगा उसको थोड़ा सा ढंग का दोगे, योर एस्पिरेशन शुड बी बिट हायर, है ना? टूर गाइड इज ऑल्सो गुड, है ना? मतलब उसकी जानकारी होती है, रटा होता है, तोता होता है, बट शुड नॉट ट्राई नॉट टू बी टूर गाइड, है ना?
हाँ।
Until unless situation is different, है ना? That I'll talk post recording. वेट करो रिकॉर्डिंग बंद होने का।
यस
मैं ऐसे
सर।
वायरल नहीं होना चाहता हूँ, है ना, बिना काम का। आई डोंट लाइक पब्लिसिटी एंड फेम, है ना? ताकि मैं क्लास में ऐसे बैठ के पढ़ा सकूं। ये कौन है महानुभाव? तारिक, नाम लिखने में तुम्हारा है ना, व्हाट्स इन द नेम, तुम इसका आंसर ही नहीं दे पाओगे।
Yes, sir.
सबका ना ह्यूमर खराब है यार, है ना? मुझे लगता है ह्यूमर की भी क्लासेस लेनी पड़ेगी। खैर, यू हैव नॉट रिटन योर नेम एंड ऑल दैट, यू मस्ट राइट।
Okay, sir.
वाओ, है ना डिटेक्टिव तारिक?
Yes, sir.
तुम जासूसी वाली किताब कब से पढ़ना चालू कर दी है?
सर अभी सर हो 1 हफ्ते पहले।
मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, मत पढ़ना। मैं एकदम 1% भी मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मत पढ़ना। अगर आप इम्प्रेशनेबल हो, जैसे होता है ना कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है ना, दे कैन, जैसे आई हैव वेरी सेपरेट, अगर आपने, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव टॉक टू मी पर्सनली, मतलब पर्सनली मैं लड़की की बात नहीं कर रहा, लड़कों लड़कों की बात कर रहा है ना? भाई अनुराग, तुमने कॉल नहीं किया है मेरे को, क्या मतलब यार? हाँ शिवम, सर नो ना कि क्लास के 12 में डिफरेंट पर्सन, आप रियलाइज भी नहीं होगा ना, अगर आप बात कर रहे हो तो लगेगा कि सामने से आप किसी फ्रेंड से बात कर रहे हो ऐसे, ठीक है? तो इफ यू आर नॉट इम्प्रेशनेबल, मेरे को लगता है कि मैं बहुत हद तक डिस्टिंग कर पाता हूँ, वेयर वेयर आई हैव टू बी फॉर्मल, वेयर आई हैव, मतलब अकॉर्डिंगली सिचुएशन से, और कुछ चीजें मैं सेपरेट रखता हूँ। बट इफ यू आर दैट बिलीव आई एम नॉट दैट मच इम्प्रेशनेबल, है ना? मेरे को है, मैं बहुत वो ना ढीठ आदमी हूँ, ठीक है? बट इफ यू आर इम्प्रेशनेबल, प्लीज नॉट वॉच एनी spying movies, do not read any spying novel, read about armed forces, watch armed forces movies only. Okay, there are so many good movies to watch, you should watch that. ठीक है, ये ऐसे नहीं लिखोगे, मैंने तो ये तो सबकी स्टोरी, अभी तक किसी की स्टोरी को मैंने अच्छा बोला है? चलो है, धोखा से एक स्टोरी आया, ठीक मेरे को लग रहा है। ये अभी जो आया है नाम नमक निशान, जिसमें क्या है कि ट्रेनिंग ओटीए में ही हो रही है और वो बनाया है एयरफोर्स, है ना? ऐसा कुछ यही है ना? मत देखना धोखा से ये सब चीज, है ना?
सर
डॉक्यूमेंट्री।
देखा नहीं सर, वो ट्रेलर देखा था बस।
सर एयरफोर्स के बारे में नहीं है सर, वो ओटी के
तो
बारे में।
एयरफोर्स वाला अलग है, वो कमांडर कुछ है
पता नहीं, कुछ तो ऐसा मैं देखा, बकवास है ना ऐसे।
अभी सर
अच्छा,
सीजन आया नहीं
इसकी
है।
मूवी, फेवरेट मूवी गुंजन सक्सेना, मैं पर्सनालिटी की बात नहीं कर रहा, मैं मूवी की बात कर रहा, है ना? बताओ, मैं इतना पढ़ाता हूँ, है ना? मेरी इतना पढ़ाई को उसने क्या करा, खिड़की से जाके कूद जाओ, है ना? मन तो किया ऐसा चपेट लगाओ ना। मेरे को लगता है ना कि ये रिपीटर्स ऐसे होता है ना सब जगह, ऐसे कुछ कुछ एसोसिएशंस, ऐसे ऑल इंडिया एसएसबी रिपीटर्स एसोसिएशन होने चाहिए, है ना? और सब जाके एक एक थप्पड़ लगा दें। इतना कूदना, इससे ज्यादा हो गया से तो मैं कूद जाता हूँ टाइगर लेक में, है ना? वाह, रमन को तुम बना दी, है ना? चलो बढ़िया है, पता है मैंने निकाल के रखा है। मतलब चलो भाग गया, एक मिनट। बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी लिखी है तुमने। एक बार तुम ढंग से पढ़ो तो, मतलब मैं हो सकता है मे बी दैट आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड और सॉर्ट होता है ना, सम टाइम माय जजमेंट वुड बी क्लाउडेड। एक बार देखो तो ढंग से, तुमको स्टोरी सही लग रही है ना? देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन दिस ना, मतलब इसको आई हैव टू फॉरवर्ड दिस इन अ ग्रुप।
सर
एप्रिसिएशन,
मुझे,
एप्रिसिएशन, अच्छा दे ऑल है, ठीक है। हाँ बताओ बताओ, अच्छी है ना स्टोरी? आई थिंक इट इज गुड ना?
हाँ सर, हाँ मतलब ओके है मेरे हिसाब से।
हाँ ओके ही है, पीपीडीटी में ओके ही स्टोरी लिखनी होती है। तो बोलते बोलते ना मेरा गला सूख गया है ना, इतना मैं बोल लिया रहता चुनाव रैली में, विधायक बन गया रहता। but I'm not tired है ना still मैं लगभग 2-2:30 बजे से क्लासेस चल रही है और फिर भी मजा आता है ना
सर आज खाना क्या खाया?
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद होने में बताता हूँ
सर नेता बन गए सर।
नहीं भूखा तो भी नहीं
सर अविराज आप ही डायलॉग मार रहा है।
नेता का बहुत खराब काम होता है ना तो तुम अपना वो पूरा लिख दिया हो ना स्टोरी हाँ सही अच्छा है स्टोरी अंकित ये स्टोरी जल्द से गुड देख लेना एक बार ऐसे अनुराग इसको क्रॉस चेक कर लेना तो तुम
यस सर।
मैं शेयर कर रहा नहीं आ रहा देखो लिखना इस तरीके से जो लिखने में भी गलती कर रहे हैं ना वो इसी तरह से लिखोगे आप ठीक है ये मैंने अनुराग और अंकित की स्टोरी को बस एक अच्छा बोला ठीक है मिहिर क्या कर रहे हो तुम भाई फिर क्या हुआ तुम्हारे कॉन्फिडेंस को क्या हुआ वेयर आर यू वीडियो ऑन कहां हो तुम क्या कर रहे
यस
हो
सर। सर मेरी स्टोरी अच्छी बनी नहीं थी मतलब नरेशन के टाइम मैंने उसको इम्प्रूव किया था।
तुम्हारे लाइफ में हो क्या रहा है आजकल व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन योर
सर
लाइफ इज एवरीथिंग ऑल
कुछ
राइट इन लाइफ
यस सर बस प्लेसमेंट चल रहा है प्लेसमेंट 5
no it is not appearing like that everything is good in your life if there is an issue please fix it if you are not able to figure it out please let me know please contact me whenever you get time tomorrow in the evening okay
ओके सर।
until unless your personal life is sorted please keep this in mind ladies and gentlemen in the class present in the class make sure that you are emotionally stable person if you are emotionally not stable if you are emotionally not certain difficulty will always be there if you are I mean if you're in middle class and not so from I think most of us those are present in the class they are we are है ना आकाश नहीं है क्लास में हम बोल सकते हैं तो there will be difficulty but be resilient है ना and make sure you emotionally you are sorted person as if you are emotionally not sorted person it will be very difficult to get recovered from this trust me on this just a second नहीं मेरा ऐसा काम नहीं चलेगा ना चलवे अरे मत लिया कर यार है ना स्क्रीनशॉट मैं पता इसीलिए ऑन नहीं करता था मत कर भाई ये सही नहीं लगता है ना किसके किसके स्टोरीज को अच्छा हाँ बहुत सारे में कैंडिडेट राहुल सौरभ वेयर इज सौरभ keep your video on सौरभ जैन
यस सर।
मनी का मेंशन कभी भी नहीं करोगे will never mention about money in any of the story in psychology test or even in an interview
ओके सर।
there are various different reasons for that okay your story is also kind of okay not properly not appropriate यीशु यीशु कॉपी यूज नहीं करना लाइनिंग मतलब बिना लाइनिंग वाला कॉपी यूज करोगे तो इसी करोगे तो तुम्हारी
सर आज ही बताया ले लूंगा कल
ऐसे ये नहीं करना है ठीक है यीशु ऐसे स्टोरी नहीं लिखते अभी आप देखोगे धीरे धीरे समझ में आएगा इट विल टेक सम टाइम use of your skill tracing in
यस
your
सर
I share some of the videos of the PPRT this is story analysis session from I think it is bit old video but that is helpful you will get an idea what kind of story not to write what kind of story to write 5 मिनट बस। कपिल,
Yes, sir.
तो थोड़ा सा राइटिंग सही कर लोगे, स्टोरी सही है, ओके है, स्टोरी सही तो नहीं है, ओके ओके टाइप है, ठीक है, चलेगा स्टोरी, दिस विल वर्क।
Okay, sir.
तो बोल, क्या नाम है, आस्था?
Yes, sir.
अरे एक एक, ये जो पीडीएफ इतना तुम मेरे को भेजी हो, 2 पेज 3 पेज 2 पेज एक साथ करके भेजो ना पीडीएफ। ऐसा कभी रहेगा तो सेशन देख के मैं सही पढ़ने में सही रहता है। और ना ये वाइट पेज विदाउट रूलिंग पेज यूज करोगे, ठीक है?
जी सर।
कटिंग नहीं करोगे, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
आदित्य क्या है, नहीं इसको ट्रैकिंग का टास्क क्यों दिया गया, वो सारा चीज तो बताओगे, ठीक है? वो क्लियर नहीं है।
जी।
जो हीरो कौन है वो क्लियर रहना चाहिए प्रॉपर। बढ़िया शिवम, स्टोरी तुम्हारी अच्छी है, बट नरेशन में जब करते हो ना कंक्लूजन में तो थोड़ा सा ढंग से करोगे, पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस यार तुम। शिवम वैसे ये आपकी आवाज में, यू आर व्हाट आर यू नाउ एज एट दिस मोमेंट, व्हाट इज योर रैंक इन एयरफोर्स?
सर LAC लीडिंग एयरक्राफ्ट मैन।
तो ऐसे नए वालों को बजाते नहीं हो तुम, ऐसे दौस जमाया करो ना ऐसे। हाँ,
जमाते तो है।
तो यहाँ पे दिखाओ ना, थोड़ा लगे वो लगता ही नहीं।
सर आज सर कंक्लूजन में मैं मतलब मुझे आइडिया नहीं था कि मतलब मैं नॉमिनेट हो जाऊंगा, फिर सबके पॉइंट थे बहुत सारे, तो उसको करने के चक्कर में काफी हो गया।
अरे सबको खुश नहीं कर सकते हो, है ना, बस। दिस अभिनव टेकिंग प्लेस, नहीं अभिनव एक्सीडेंट्स कुछ नहीं हो रहा है ऐसे, है ना? नहीं, प्लीज प्लीज नेवर, वेयर इज अभिनव? अभिनव, ये मेरे को तुम
Yes, sir.
समझदार लगते थे, है ना? शक्ल से तो तुम क्या एक कोई ऐसा मीम है ना, तुम ये ऐसी गलती क्यों कर रहे हो भाई? बिना काम पे किसी को क्यों मार रहे हो?
सर वो लिखने
नहीं करना है।
सर वो लिखने के बाद रियलाइज हुआ कि हाँ गलत लिख दिया।
रियलाइज हुआ ना?
यस सर।
मेरी पश्चाताप ही प्राश्चित है, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर।
बस, चलो, एनीवन लेफ्ट फॉर देयर फीडबैक? किसकी स्टोरी को मैंने बोला है? अच्छा, अभिराज तुम्हारी स्टोरी को नहीं बोल, तुम्हें फीडबैक नहीं मिला, तुमने स्टोरी शेयर किया था? अनुराग तुम्हारी
Yes.
स्टोरी को, अच्छा सॉरी, अभिराज तुम्हारी स्टोरी को फीडबैक मिला, तुम्हारी किसकी स्टोरी को? एक मिनट, बोल रहे ना, अभी कोई है जिसकी स्टोरी को फीडबैक नहीं मिला है? अभिराज कहाँ है तुम्हारा स्टोरी, डॉट से रिप्लाई करो बिल्कुल।
Yes, sir. कर दिया सर।
वैसे फोटो भेज दोगे मेरे को तो कैसे मेरे को पता चलेगा, है ना? जब ऐसा चल रहा है ना, बीच में कुछ फोटो मैसेज नहीं भेज देना, करना होगा आपको जब हो जाए इम्प्रूवमेंट, वो रिव्यू हो जाए तब भेजना।
ओके सर।
हाँ, स्टोरी सही लिखा है तुम्हारा, स्टोरी अच्छा है। ओवरऑल इफ आई हैव टू से, अच्छा एक मिनट, राज ही टाइमिंग का देख रहा था।
सर भेज दिया था टाइमिंग फोटो के ऊपर।
निखित टाइमिंग इम्प्रूव करना है, मेहर टाइमिंग इम्प्रूव करना है, निखित टाइमिंग इम्प्रूव करना है, शिवम, शिवम अब ना मैं बता रहा हूँ, मैं पनिशमेंट दे दूंगा अगर इनसे अगर नहीं रहा, या तो आप एक काम कर सकते हो कि जितनी भी अभी पीपीटी की स्टोरी लिखी है सबकी नरेशन आप करके आओ। अगले दिन आपका टाइमिंग खराब हुआ, मैं गंदा पनिशमेंट दे दूंगा, ठीक है?
सर टाइमिंग कितना है सर?
1 मिनट 5 सेकेंड। अरे पढ़ लिया भाई, गजब हो तुम, है ना? तो ये ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है? तो अभी अविराज अकीम हो गया, तो आज लास्ट में करा तो थोड़ा कम बोलो ना यार, से खींचने क्यों लग जाते हो लंबा, मत खींचो। इस स्टोरी को मैंने बोला कि अच्छी स्टोरी है। फॉर्चुनेटली इन तीनों का पार्टिसिपेशन इन परफॉर्मेंस और डिस्कशन इज आल्सो क्वाइट एडिक्वेट, एंड यही तीनों के जो है ना ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी है, तो काफी सॉरी कपिल, व्हाई यू नॉट पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द डिस्कशन?
सर काफी ज्यादा मतलब तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था क्या बोल रहा है कौन किसका सर उसमें फिर।
एनीवन एल्स? ओवरऑल एक्सेप्टेबल परफॉर्मेंस नहीं बोल रहा, ओवरऑल एनीवन एल्स? और किसी को मैंने बोला था अच्छी स्टोरी है, तुम्हारी स्टोरी को मैंने बोला ना कपिल अच्छी है।
तो आपने बोला ओके ओके।
ठीक है ना भाई, मतलब अब तुम्हारा राइटिंग थोड़ा सा खींचा खींचा सा लग रहा है, सर्टेन
ओके
इम्प्रूवमेंट
सर।
का स्कोप है उसमें, तुम पढ़ो उसको समझ में आएगा, ठीक है? That is it.
Yes, sir.
Overall, 4 candidates in the performance is up to a desired level. So that being said, I'm ending the recording of the class. We will have a discussion. Okay. Keep learning. We'll meet soon. Jai Hind. Take care.